Isabel, Oscar, come here, please. You, I, you, I, you, I, she, he, you are Isabel. I am Mr. Tandy. He is Oscar. She is Isabel. Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Sam, come here, please. My name is Mr. Tandy. What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Where are you from?
I am from Korea. Where are you from?
I am from the United States. How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Great, Sam. Isabel, where are you from?
I am from the Philippines.
Right. Okay, I am from the United States. I am or I'm. I am from the United States. Or I'm from the United States. I am or I'm. Oscar, where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Oscar, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Excellent. Teresa, how old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Sam, you are 17 years old. You are. You are from Korea. You are 17 years old. You are. You are 17 years old, or you're 17 years old. You are or you're. Where am I from? Isabel.
You are from the United States.
Where am I from?
You're from the United States.
Great. Teresa, come here, please. Hi, Teresa. How are you?
Hi.
Okay. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. Bye. Okay. Have a seat, please. Oscar, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Sam, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Teresa, come here, please. Hi, Teresa.
Good morning, Mr. Tandy.
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Bye.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine, Sam. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Anna, come here, please. We. We. You. You.
We.
They. They.
They.
Class, how are you?
We are fine.
All right. We are or we're. Teresa?
How are you?
We're fine.